Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove Yahoo search from your Google Chrome browser. So all you need to do is click on the three dots on the top left and then click on settings. Here in the left panel you need to go to search engine and then click in this drop down menu and then click on Google. Once you have done that, if you open a new tab you will see that the search engine is Google. So if that doesn't work for you, then all you need to do is click on this puzzle button and then click on manage extensions. And then here you need to remove any of the extension that you don't recognize or you don't use. So if you want to turn that off, you need to click on this button here. And that if that doesn't also work for you, you need to go to the settings and then click on reset and clean up in the left panel. And here you need to restore your settings to your original default and then click reset settings, and this will reset your Chrome settings and Chrome shortcuts, disable any extensions that you have and delete all the cookies and site data. If you are sure that you want to reset these settings, click on this and your search engine will be set to Google. I hope you found this video useful. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and I will see you in the next one.